Okay, student, now we are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 2.4. The statement of question number 1 is use laws of exponents to simplify. The first part is 243 whole raised power minus 2 by 3 into 32 whole raised power minus 1 over 5 over under root square root 196 whole raised power minus 1. First of all, we will convert all the numbers into factors. Just like the first number is 243, we will make the factors of 243. Here we write 243 and we'll make the factors of 243. We will divide it by 3, the prime factors. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Then again we will divide it by 3. 3 27s are 81, and then again we will factorize it, and 3 9s are 27, and then again we will divide it. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now you can see that there are the 5 factors of 3, so we can write it as a 3 raised power 5 and whole raised power minus 2 by 3. Now we will factorize the next number, which is 32. Now we will factorize the 32, so we will make the factors of 32 by dividing it on 2. 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Now you can see that there are the 5 factors of 32, which are 2 raised power. So we can write the 32 as 2 raised power 5 and whole raised power minus 1 over 5 over. Now we will make the factors of 196. So here we are going to make the factors of 196 in rough work, and then we'll make the factors. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, it becomes 16, so 2 8s are 16. Now we will divide it again. 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 18. Then again it will divide it by 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So here are the 2 factors of 2 and the 2 factors of 7. So we can write the 196 as a 2 raised power 2 dot 7 raised power 2 and whole raised power minus 1, and we will convert the radical into exponential form and write over 2, so it becomes minus 1 over 2. Now we are going to solve the next step, in which by using the law of exponent, the base of 3, here is the base 3, its power is 5, the whole power is minus 2 by 3. So our power 5 will multiply the whole power minus 2 by 3. So by multiplying, we will write it in the multiplicative form. 5 multiplied by minus 2 by 3 into, here is the base 2 and its power 5 will multiply the whole power minus 1 over 5. It's other law of exponent, minus 1 over 5 over, and here the 2 raised power 2 will multiply the whole power minus 1 over 2. So we will write 2 into minus 1 over 2, and the power of 7, which is 2, will also multiply by whole power minus 1 over 2. So we'll write 2 into minus 1 over 2. So by simplifying, in the next step we will write that the 3 will not cancel out the 5, so we will multiply 5 by minus 2, so it becomes 3 raised power minus 10 by 3, and here 5 will cancel out 5, so we have 2 raised power minus 1 over. Now here you can see that 2 will cancel out 2, so we will have 2 raised power minus 1. So we'll write here 2 raised power minus 1, and 2 will cancel out 2, so we will have 7 raised power minus 1. So now we are going to simplify the next step. As you said, both the numbers are multiplying each other and they are also multiplying each other. We can cancel out the same numbers. 2 raised power minus 1 will cancel out 2 raised power minus 1. And by interchanging, the 7 raised power minus 1 is a negative number. By shifting on a numerator, it becomes 7 raised power positive 1, and positive 1 is not written. So by shifting the numerators, which is 3 raised power minus 10 by 3, in a denominator, it becomes, here is the power negative, it becomes positive 10 by 3. So in next step, 7 is also in simplified form, so we will write it as it is. Here is 3 raised power 10. It means the base 3 and this exponent is 3 and 10 is the power of 3. So in next step, we will make the factors of 3 raised power 10 and split it into the 3 raised power 3. So we can write the 3 raised power 10 as 3 raised power 3 dot 3 raised power 3 dot 3 raised power 3 dot 3. So all the cube roots will cancel out, all the cubes of 3 will cancel out 3. So we will have 7 over all the this cube will cancel out this cube root, this cube will cancel out this cube root, and this cube will cancel out this cube root. So we will have 3 dot 3 dot 3 into this 3 will not cancel out by the cube root, so we will write it into the cube root. So 3s and its index is 3. So in next step, we will simplify this step. All the 3 numbers are multiplying each other, so we will write 7 over 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 into 3 raised power 3, and 3 is a cube root. So it is the simplified form of our first question. So you will write this question on your notebook.